the beautiful land. I am so far away, I am weary and worn. I have a longing for my Jesus. Oh, where shall I go? Birds and beautiful flowers try to charm me here. Earthly splendors are all in vain, but I gaze upon my home. Jesus gave me His promise. He will come for me. My heart is in a hurry. I want to fly away now. My sins were many. I am so guilty, but His blood makes me clean. I am going to my homeland, like a child longing for his home. I want to go there, like a bird to its nest. I want to flee to His arms. Jesus gave me His promise. He will come for me. My heart is in a hurry. I want to fly away now. He is faithful, His coming is certain. When I do not know, but He commands me to be alert. From exile I shall return. I await His coming, singing of my home in heaven. I shall hear His footsteps sounding beyond the dark veil.
Birds and beautiful flowers,
They cannot hold me.
they cannot hold me.
My heart is fixed on the kingdom.
I am an exile,
Waiting for
my
King.
Jesus gave me His promise.
He will come for me. My heart is in a hurry. I want to fly away now. I am going home to my heavenly